For an intimate special occasion or holiday dinner, a well-designed dining room is the perfect location to reconnect with family and friends. Here are 4 tips to create a cozy and inviting space for your dining room. Tip number 1, embellish with lighting. If you have an open floor plan, eye-catching statement lighting can help define your dining area. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and sconces create elegance and coziness. You can hang a collection of pendant lights for drama, or you can install an oversized textural pendant. Want to know the latest design trend chosen for fall 2020? It's rattan lighting, which creates a nice organic effect. Need more ambiance? Layer in sconces and install a dimmer light switch to really set the mood. Tip number 2, decorate with art. Art will draw your guests' eyes upward and create a dramatic focal point. You can decorate with large art, oversized paintings, or murals. Whatever you choose, there is only one rule to follow. Choose art that speaks to your soul and that you love the most. Tip number 3, add a statement dining table. Create a statement by experimenting with the most important piece of furniture, the dining table. Round tables create a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere and stimulate conversation. Instead of your usual round or rectangular table, consider shapes that are oval, octagonal, or have an interesting or unusual base. Opt for table settings that are simplistic and sophisticated. A dinner plate, preferably white, a salad plate, cloth napkins, and chargers are all the elements you need to achieve these holiday looks. Here are some of my favorites in a variety of price ranges that I'll provide in links below. Tip number 4, upgrade your dining chairs. Chairs can also make a big statement. Create unique seating arrangements by mixing up your chair design or color. You can either alternate every other chair or purchase different head chairs. Another option, create built-in banquette seating. You can create an upholstered back or just add pillows. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if I solved any of your design dilemmas in the comments below, as well as which tip was your favorite. If you need more personalized design help, take my Define Your Style questionnaire provided in a link below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on furniture layouts throughout your home, seasonal and holiday decorating tips, and the latest furniture trends. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching.